Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video, and today I have the all new Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. And guys, this is a new high mid-range phone that we have from Samsung, and this phone is costing around 85,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have a notch Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display on the front. Also in the color I have is the black color. We have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage. So on the back we don't have any information about the specs. So let's quickly unbox the Galaxy A26 5G. Now let's remove the seal like this. We have one more seal on the bottom side. Let's remove the plastic first. And this phone also available in other colors, but I have the black color of the A26. So again we have matte box. Let's open this box. Again you can see in the box it is very slim, so we don't have any charger in the box. So on the top we have this mini envelope. So here is our suggestion tool, and inside there we have our USB type C to USB type C cable. Also we have our quick start guide, and right there here is the Galaxy A26 in the black color, as you can see, wrapped in this wrapping. So now let's solve the phone from this wrapping like this. And this phone also has a IP67 water and dust resistance. We also have new Samsung Exynos 1380 SoC, which is really powerful for this 85,000 PKR price range. So here is the Galaxy A26 looks like in the black color. As you can see, it is almost a jet black. On the back we have a glossy finish, and this one looks absolutely gorgeous in the black color, but it is a glossy finish. So you will see a lot of fingerprints on the back. We have triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera, then we have 8 megapixel ultra wide, lastly we have 2 megapixel macro. So we also have LED flash, and the camera layout it is much different as compared to the Samsung S series. The back it is made up of plastic, and the frame also it is made up of plastic. Anyways, now let's quickly boot the Galaxy A26 5G. So Samsung logo should be appearing on the screen. Yes, it is. So you can see right there we don't get any charger, we don't get any hand-free, we don't get any silicone case with the Galaxy A26. So anyways, so on the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So let's see that. So you can see it is a hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. We also have rubber gasket. Once again we have IP67 water and dust resistance. So anyways, on the top we have our another microphone looks like. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker with a power on a button, in which we also have fingerprint scanner. We don't have any in-display fingerprint scanner, a really disappointing thing. On the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, as well as the two microphones on the bottom. Once again the back looks really gorgeous in this black color. So on the front we have gorgeous looking 6.7 inch the Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. And the bad thing is that we have a notch on the top. Samsung should give us a punch hole right now on the Galaxy A26, but anyways the bottom chain it is also really big as compared to other smartphones that is launched in this price range. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A26. So guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a Super AMOLED display. So here's the notification panel looks like. Anyways, now let's see the max brightness, and the display looks really bright. We don't have any issue at all. Also this one is running on latest One UI 7, which is based on Android 15, and this phone will receive up to 7 years of major Android updates. So anyways, let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. And once again let me show you that this phone it is indeed running on latest Android 15 with Samsung One UI 7. Also we have 256 GB of internal storage, and out of only 235 GB it is available for you guys. Let's go to the display, and let me show the refresh rate option. So this phone has a 120Hz refresh rate, as you can see. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. And the fingerprint scanner it is working, as you can see, not the fastest. So here all the pre-installed apps we have inside this phone, and this phone also have some AI features, not a lot of AI features. Anyways, let's go to the camera. So this phone has a triple cameras on the back. On the back we have 50 megapixel main camera, as you can see. Also we have 8 megapixel ultra wide. Looks like the ultra wide looks really good, especially the colors. So here is a portrait mode, and the camera UI also is completely changed because of the One UI 7, as you know. So here is a fun mode. We don't have any different focal length options for the portrait mode. So here is the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps, which is a really good thing. This is the only smartphone in this price range that give you a 4K at 30 fps. Also we also have 1080p at 60 fps. We also have super steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. So inside the mode section we also have our pro mode. We also have night mode. We also have macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. We also have super slow motion. We also have slow motion. We also have single take, hyperlapse, all those things it is available. Now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 13 megapixel selfie camera, and 13 megapixel it is looks okay, I would say, especially in this lighting condition, and the picture it is sharp, I would say. But we will see the camera performance in my upcoming camera test, so stay tuned. So here's the portrait mode, and the front camera also shoot only full HD at 30 fps, no 60 fps support with the front facing camera. And the night mode it is also available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 25-watt super fast charging. Samsung should give us a 45-watt super fast charging on the Galaxy A26, because in this price range other smartphones now give you a higher battery size as well as higher fast charging. Anyways, if you're looking for a Samsung phone in this price range, this is the best option that you can get right now. And the processor, even the cameras, it is really good on this phone. Even the display, although I don't like the notch, but another that this phone it is excellent. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Galaxy A26. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.